If you love creamy, hot soups from your favorite cafes, this chicken Alfredo vegetable soup is fantastic. It's really easy, and I made it budget friendly. Yesterday, I cooked a whole chicken in my pressure cooker so I'd have the cooked meat and the broth. So for about $10, I had lots of chicken and broth, way more than I needed for today. And then I raided my freezer for Alfredo sauce too. Let's put this together. You are going to love how cozy and warm it is. Your electric twist and chop is one of the best tools for prepping soup vegetables. I'm gonna go ahead and drop in half of an onion, some carrots. I can do those together because they're both hard vegetables. It is so fast. Watch this. Done. So convenient. And I love that everything is small enough to fit on a spoon. I'll go ahead and drop the broccoli in. Don't do your broccoli with your hard vegetables. This is really easy to chop, and you don't want it to get totally mushy. We want it to have some texture. Unless you want it pulverized, and then know that you can. So we'll just pulse. That's all that I want to do. See? And then finally I have chicken. I roasted a chicken yesterday, and I saved some that I could use for today's soup. In soup, I like to have it kind of minced almost, and so that's why I'm gonna stick it in here. So imagine, maybe you wanna make chicken salad, but we're doing it for soup today. It's perfect. Now for the red pepper, I just want half of it, and I'm not going to put it through the twist and chop because I do want it to be more square and uniform because it'll provide better color or texture. If you want your pepper minced, absolutely go ahead and put it in there. But for this, I'm gonna go ahead and just use my chef's knife to give a more clean dice. I have all of the vegetables in here along with 2 cups of homemade chicken broth. You can use boxed broth if you prefer it. We want this to simmer for about 5 minutes until the vegetables are soft. We'll add some fresh garlic to it as well. This is the 3-quart stainless steel saucepan. I love that it doesn't have any rivets. See, this is where your handle is. No rivets inside, so it's easy to clean up. The vegetables are tender. It's time to add the rest. Take the lid off. And what I'm doing today is I am using some of our basil pesto seasoning mix instead of fresh basil. So I'm just gonna add a teaspoon to it. If you're using fresh basil, you add that at the end because you don't want to eliminate all the flavor. But because this is dry, I'm gonna add it at this point and it should be just fine. We'll add in all of the chicken that we cooked, or chopped up rather, from the twist and chop. And then here's the Alfredo that I froze. It was just a jar of Rayo's Alfredo sauce. I needed a little bit for a pizza that I was making, and I froze the rest. And so today, it's just shy of a jar, but it is just right for this. So you add this at the end and just squeeze it out. So do you ever freeze ingredients like that? We can't use a full jar of Alfredo for most things. I don't usually put it on pasta, but I'll put it in something like this or use as a sauce for pizza sauce, for a white pizza. So for us, freezing it like this is a really good money-saving solution so I don't have any waste. Give everything a stir. Doesn't this look so yummy? Such a simple soup recipe. I'm sure it will be a hit for your family. What do you think? All ready? Let's ladle it up. I did taste it, and a teaspoon of the pesto basil seasoning was just right for this. You can add a little bit of Parmesan cheese over the top. I think it's perfect, just as is. I hope you'll give this soup a try.